What up, YouTube? FDY, aka Crypto Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. So we've been kind of boring since we had that nice little correction in Bitcoin. Everybody on the internet is talking about this, drawing a million lines here and there, a bunch of indicators here and there, analysis, history, and this and that. It's really not that complicated. We're going to look at what to look for if we want a continuation or if we want to reclaim certain levels in Bitcoin. We're going to look at what I am looking for in the next few days to weeks, and then we'll just go from there. We're not going to make it too complicated. So if that sounds like something you will like, make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and let's jump right into the charts. So Bitcoin right now is sitting at 39,794. So we broke that psychological level of 40K. We're hovering around it. I want to see us hold 40K psychologically, and then we can try to move our way up. But it's really this simple. You know, I'll get on the internet. A lot of these TA guys, a lot of these people who are so-called gurus, they're drawing all these lines, they're drawing all these, pulling up all these indicators, saying this, saying that, trying to make it seem like they're just so smart. Well, if you believe in TA, if you think TA works, it's really not that hard. What I'm looking at right now is a reclaim of this upward sloping trend line. And right now, that reclaim number is coming in at around, let's just say 41,000. So until we can come and reclaim this 41,000, as we move along, this upper sloping trend line is just going to get higher and higher. We even have some more confluence coming in here. So we have this horizontal, and then we have this upper sloping trend line here coming in. So like I said, that's coming in at about 41K. If we can reclaim 41K, I think there's a bunch of liquidations that will happen if we hit 42K, which is somewhere in this area here, all this structure here. And then I'm kind of expecting a short squeeze, maybe up to 44K, which is heavy, which will be heavy resistance. Somewhere in this area here. Let's just put this right here just so we can have it drawn in. But other than that, it's really not too much to talk about. We've been doing the same thing for the past few days. We lost that level that I wanted to hold at 40K. We came down, almost touched 38.5. Let's see what we got. We got the 38.6. So I said somewhere between 38 in the 38. So we came down there, and then like I said, if we lose that level, I'll be looking at 32K for a potential level to look for a major bounce at. If we would have came down here and had a nice significant V-shaped recovery over 40K, over 41, back up to like 44K, I would have been a lot more happy with that. I would have been a lot more inclined to go long, but right now I'm not looking to go long unless we reclaim, like I said, this area here. All the TA in the world, everybody on the internet has these, drawing a bunch of lines, drawing a bunch of indicators. It's not that hard. All you got to do, all we need to do, baby steps. We need to first reclaim 41K. Hold that as support. Once we reclaim 41,000, then I will be looking to open along. Then I will be looking to keep moving along. Luckily, the stock market is going up. S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow keep creating all-time highs, even though the S&P and NASDAQ is being led by tech stocks. That's cool. Still taking it up. So that is actually helping crypto not to just roll over tremendously. I believe with the ETFs coming in, it's going to be a lot more correlated in the future. So we will just look at that. Hopefully the stock market can continue its rally up so it can kind of hold on, to crypto, and we don't roll over significantly down to 32. But I mean, like I said, if 32, if you watch a couple of my videos these past few days, I've been saying 32K will be a gift because alts will bleed heavy, and then that would be the time to get in. Even if we go lower than 35, 32K, anything under that will just be a godsend. But 32 to 35K alts will bleed. That will be a gift. That will be where I will be loading up. Even if we go lower, I don't care, because I know that is going to be a good entry point, and that will be a point where I have my money on the sideline and I'll be ready to deploy, looking for these alts that performed well during Bitcoin's shoot up, because I think that will just happen again. And it's just a game of rinse and repeat in these markets. It's really that simple. Just a game of rinse and repeat. Make sure you're looking at the coins that have run up during crypto's run up. Make sure you're looking, or Bitcoin's run up rather. Make sure you're looking at the coins that had significant gains or significantly outperformed Bitcoin on Bitcoin's ascension higher. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. I'm going to be deep diving on a few more coins today. I'm about to make an XRP video soon. So if you like XRP, you hate XRP, you want to hear about XRP, make sure you like, subscribe, because I'm working on that video next. But I wanted to come with this Bitcoin update. Just crowd out the noise. As long as we're below 41k, in my opinion, this is just my analysis, my thesis, I will not be looking too bullish, but I do want to get above and hold 40k first and foremost. Then if we can really get above 41k, or this upper sloping trend line along with this horizontal, which is meeting right about the point that we're at right now, I'll be content and I'll be happy, and I'll be looking to turn a lot more bullish in the short term if we can reclaim this area here at about 41,000. So that's all I want to come with, just a quick update. Tune out all the noise, get off X. Sometimes it's a lot of stupid smart people on X. They want to put all these tweets and all these posts and all these threads and all to make it seem like they're super smart, when in actuality it's not rocket science. It's just, you know, human emotion, lines on the chart, and probabilities, and that's really it. Anybody can do it. It's just about managing your emotions, sticking with your strategies, and just time on the charts. Just like a basketball player, football player, baseball player, anybody, a dancer. You know, the more you practice, the more you're around it, the more it becomes second nature. So it's same with trading, same with looking at charts, same with investing. We're not going to get it right every time. We're not going to win every game, but we want to be prepared when it's game time. So this is FDY, aka Crypto Funds. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate you for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it, because you gave me your most important asset, and that's time. And I really appreciate that. And I will talk to everyone in the next video. Peace.